Hello, I'm Dr. Myron Wentz. Welcome to the global headquarters of Usana Health Sciences. In this building, you'll find our corporate offices, which support a huge organization of over 1,000 employees and hundreds of thousands of distributors worldwide. Here you'll also find, and in fact you've found, our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility. This is the heart of Usana. This is where the products that are improving so many lives around the world are made. I founded Usana in 1992 with a mission to help create a healthier world. This mission was, and still is, built upon cutting-edge science, extensive research, and the highest manufacturing standards. When you put these three things together, you get outstanding nutritional products that support your health and therefore every aspect of your life. The manufacturing process you're about to see is extensive, complex, and requires a painstaking commitment to excellence. It's one of the reasons why Usana creates the highest rated nutritional products in the world. Everything we do here helps you love life and live it to its fullest. Enjoy the tour.
Everything Usana does, from our scientific laboratories to our production and warehouse space, is about our customers' nutrition. Our process starts with formulas that use only the best ingredients. To even have a place on our shelves, our raw material ingredient suppliers undergo extensive, ongoing safety and quality inspections. When ingredients arrive at Usana, they are quarantined and staged for sampling. Quality control inspectors use near-infrared spectroscopy to properly identify raw materials. Samples are taken and delivered to the laboratory for analysis. The laboratory is a critical component of Usana's quality program, which is modeled after good manufacturing practices, GMPs, required in the pharmaceutical industry. If something doesn't conform to our strict specifications for purity, identity, composition, quality, and strength, it doesn't go into the products. Expert technicians and scientists use state-of-the-art techniques such as inductively coupled plasma mass spectrometry, high-performance thin-layer chromatography, infrared and ultraviolet spectroscopy, gas chromatography, and many more to analyze each ingredient for Usana guaranteed quality. Usana's laboratories also test for dangerous contaminants. These include Salmonella, E. coli, staph, mold, yeast, heavy metals, and organic residues. Usana's flagship product, the Essentials, undergoes up to 900 different tests. At Usana, our customers' nutrition is in good hands. Our manufacturing technicians take care to prevent contamination of the products by dressing to strict good manufacturing standards. This includes shoe covers, special pants or pant covers, laboratory coats, hairnets, beer guards, hand washing, and sanitizing. Anyone who touches product wears gloves. Even guests are required to meet good manufacturing dress standards. Product purity is further guaranteed through an air pressure and airlock system that keeps dust and other contaminants out of the air. When the laboratory clears the ingredients for use, production is ready to begin. Manufacturing employees weigh materials carefully to get the exact blend of Usana's proprietary formulas. Once the ingredients are weighed and prepared, they're carefully sifted. Any clumps in the raw material are broken up for optimal blending. Ingredients are double screened as they pass through the vibrating sifter, then over rare earth magnets and down into one of Usana's 4 blenders. Once loaded, Usana's rotating blenders mix ingredient powders into a uniform blend. When the cycle is complete, the blend is ready to be sent to the presses and formed into tablets. Bulk bags with the blended material are hung one floor above the presses in preparation for tableting. With the bulk bags in place, technicians let gravity feed the blend into the tablet press. Our presses rotate fast enough to produce up to 500,000 tablets per hour. Tablet punches come together at over 10,000 pounds per square inch of pressure to create a perfectly formed Usana tablet. Despite the amazing rate at which the tablet press runs, it continuously monitors the tablets. If the tablets fail during compression, they're diverted into the reject chute. Every 30 minutes during compression, technicians double-check a sample of tablets to ensure they meet Usana's high-quality standards. Fresh samples are measured for proper weight and thickness. We verify the tablet hardness to ensure that they dissolve properly in the body. Next, it's on to the coaters, which apply a thin layer of all-natural vegetable protein to the surface of the tablets. This protects the active ingredients and makes the tablets easier to swallow. After coating, tablets undergo a final visual inspection before being sent on for final testing. Samples of every completed batch are sent to the Quality Control Lab. Some tablets are checked for dissolution, while others are ground and measured to verify that Usana's purity, identity, quality, and strength standards have been consistently achieved throughout the manufacturing process. Once the tablets have been coated and tested, it's time for packaging. Packaging occurs on two different lines. On the first line, a machine called the unscrambler places bottles onto the line in the proper position. Bottles line up in preparation for filling. Before dispensing into the bottle, broken tablets are removed by the shaker tray. Each tablet is counted as it drops into the bottle, ensuring proper fill. Each bottle passes through a metal detector and then is checked for weight. After these checks, bottles are capped. A special set of belts applies the label. Cap seals are then inductively fused to the bottle. Sensors check the tamper-evident seal to be sure the bottle is completely closed for freshness and safety. A bottle is rejected if it fails any check on the line. Lot numbers are applied by inkjet printers. On line 2, the machinery is different, but the process is the same. Each bottle follows a designated route where technicians and sensors catch problems before they happen. Bottles are filled by carefully controlled tablet counters. Cappers apply just the right amount of force to close the bottle. A sensor on the machine checks each bottle to make sure the cap was properly applied. After the labeling station, a special sensor verifies proper label application. Tamper-evident sleeves are then dropped over the bottle. A set of sensors ensures that each bottle has a sleeve. The bottles enter a heat tunnel where the sleeves are sealed on. After each bottle is sealed inside and out, they're bundled and prepped to be shipped. Each week, Usana fills about 275,000 bottles. My Health Pack was created by Usana to enable customers to easily personalize their nutrition. An interactive website helps customers select the supplements that best match their lifestyles and health needs. This information is delivered to the state-of-the-art My Health Pack assembly system, where the customer selections are individually packaged in convenient AM and PM packs. Each My Health Pack packet is inspected by a technician as it rolls out of the machine. The customer's name is printed right on the box, with a 28-day supply of personalized nutrition inside. Our manufacturing area also includes a specialized facility for creating the patented emulsions that make up our Sensei skincare line, where we mix and bottle formulas that deliver skin-protecting nutrients. More than 20,000 packages are shipped each week in the U.S. Orders are filled by a pick light system identifying which products go in which boxes. Orders are carefully tracked through an intelligent system of scanners and scales which verify the contents of each box. This helps Usana ensure its amazingly high order accuracy rate of 99.99%. From product development to delivery at the customer's doorstep, Usana is committed to provide products with purity, identity, composition, quality, and strength. Every individual at Usana, from the line worker to the chief executive, is committed to providing the very best nutritional products on the market. Everything we do helps our customers love life and live it.
I hope you enjoyed the tour, and I hope what you've seen here helps you understand how much we care about nutrition. I invite you to learn more about Usana. It's a company founded by a scientist, not a marketer. We've grown into a global leader in nutritional supplementation because people feel the difference when they use our products. And our commitment to Dr. Wentz's vision of creating a healthier world goes beyond our products. Ask an associate or employee about our philanthropic efforts around the world through the True Health Foundation, providing the essentials of life to those most in need. And you might be interested to know that Usana's corporate facility gets 100% of its energy from wind and its on-site solar panels. And we're able to cut our waste in half with a zealous recycling program. You may also have noticed the xeriscaping outside the building, specialized landscaping that saves 2 million gallons of water per year. In addition to all the labs, manufacturing, and shipping areas you've seen, this 350,000 square foot building also houses many other award-winning departments, from IT to marketing to customer service. Under this roof, we even have a complete multimedia production studio, a cafe that specializes in healthy food, and a full-blown gym for our employees. I'm proud to say that Usana was voted one of the best places to work in Utah several times over. People who work here are excited to be a part of Usana's mission to help make the world a healthier place. What you've seen here today represents a global quality standard that Usana has established for its worldwide operations. This standard applies everywhere Usana products are made, like our new My Health Pack facility in Singapore, serving our Asia-Pacific customers, and our state-of-the-art manufacturing center in Beijing, which provides products to our customers in China. Wherever Usana's life-changing products are made, you'll find the highest standards in the industry and the same commitment to excellence. Thank you again for taking the time to learn a little more about us, and we hope you'll give us the opportunity to make a difference in your life.